Quyen Funicular Station offers is a unique railway that ascends to the very peak of the mountain. The railway is designed to provide a more leisurely and comfortable experience for tourists who want to enjoy the picturesque views while traveling up to higher altitudes without having to trek. The Fansipan summit flag tower is a prominent feature at the top of Mount Fansipan. Standing at an altitude of 3,143 meters, it is a symbol of Vietnam's national pride. The flag tower is a tall structure that flies the national flag of Vietnam.